Hello, my name is David Eve, and I'm an Associate Professor of Computer Science at MCLA, and from my back porch I will be talking to you today about our Network Security Certificate program. So network security, most businesses have a need for people with this knowledge. Businesses are built on networks, they're built on underlying information technology systems, and they need people that can be able to support these systems. The certificate provides a solid foundation in networking, network security, network troubleshooting, problem solving for both the computer as well as the networking hardware that allows businesses to do the work they do to stay humming. So the employment opportunities are either directly with the businesses, hired directly on for business to maintain their network security and infrastructure, or through network security companies that are basically hired on as consultants to be able to support businesses and make sure that their systems are up and running. A lot of different job titles for the network security specialist. There's computer technician, desktop support technician, help desk analyst, the list just goes on. And these aren't bad paying positions either. In Pittsfield, the average worker is bringing in $58,000 a year doing this type of stuff. Now, the top 10% of workers earn $81,000 or more, and the bottom 10% earn $34,000 or less. The difference being who you're working for and the amount of experience that you have in the field. So MCLA's Network Security Certificate is offered at the MCLA Pittsfield campus. Courses are offered one night per week with some online work. They last 6 weeks per course. All the courses are finished in 1 year. So you start in September, you finish in the following August. There's federal financial aid available for those who qualify, loans, Pell Grants, and the program is ITA approved. So there's a number of different courses that you're taking as part of the certificate program. So you've got 2 network courses, 2 security courses, PC troubleshooting, the triage course, as well as 2 electives. So let's go into a little bit of detail on these different courses. So the first networking course sets the foundation for network administration. You're looking at the TCP/IP protocol suite. You're looking at the hardware that makes up the network. You cover the basics of networking configuration, monitoring, and troubleshooting. Once you're through that course, you step into Network Admin 2, where you just build on that. So some of the advanced topics involve data and signal analysis. So rates, limits, transmission impairments, performance metrics. So you're really getting into a lot more depth of the network. That's followed by Network Security 1. So again, it's the fundamentals of network security. So looking at a historical perspective, where do we come from? How did we get here today? Looking at the fundamental security concepts, cryptology, web security, and basics of intrusion and detection. That sets the foundation for Network Security 2, which gets into the identification of various network attacks and how to respond or prevent these types of attacks. So again, foundation and depth. Next is computer triage. Computer triage is a very close examination of the hardware that builds out your computer networks. So you're looking at PCs, multiple operating systems, Linux, Mac, and Windows, troubleshooting and repairing both hardware and software. So that's followed by, finally, 2 electives. So after you've taken the initial 5 courses, you take 2 electives, and those are courses of your interest. So it might be you take a database course, it might be you take a programming course. What is it that you want to do to make this certificate your own? So finally, what are your next steps? Well, you want to speak to your Mass Hire career counselor about funding. You can apply at mcla.edu and apply for financial aid at fasa.gov. So, thank you.